This move is our Jefferson curls. In our Jefferson curls, what we're primarily doing is something called spinal flexion, but we're also working a lot onto our mobility. First thing we want to do is grab one of our easier kettlebells first, and then grabbing onto our kettlebell just like this, having it be in between our legs, having our feet elevated so that we can get a larger range of motion. And now with my feet at a shoulder width position, I am bringing it down, keeping my legs straight, going down as low as I can, again, while keeping my legs straight, working that spinal flexion, and coming all the way up. I'll do it again. Slowly bringing it down, keeping our legs straight, going down as low as we can, and all the way up. Some limiting factors for this move is going to be the tightness of other surrounding muscle groups, like our glutes, our hamstrings, our calves, or our Achilles. Whichever we are tighter the most, we're gonna feel that the most when we are keeping our legs straight in our Jefferson curls.